다 근데 최 주밤 근데 저 산지기 공방룸 버지 주버 제발라 근데 또 근데 탑 담아서는 이 구구요데 근데 뒷 한국어요라서나 근데 소소게 다트라코와 토마메바네 다다 파르도다 살베게 딕바다 드바튼수 탐제 마 장어 제바탕 근데 대땡도라 근데 소놈게 초 개월 좀네 소놈게 초 양다고 저벌 제바 니기 고네 근데 담배 쳐야 되냐면서 랭고요레스 하고서 대인도 근데 대인도 근데 다 소놈게 초 저벌 제바라 근데 다 탑체버도 파고도 강하래서나 근데 바소스가 저 영화 예숨기 고네 개월 주바들이 근데 하버도 근데 라마 주베 쳐바티 아니 다 가서 그래 소놈게 초 저벌라 개버도 파고도 되래스 라마 주베 쳐바 라마 주바티.
So tonight Liberty together with the Lamas will do the offering puja of Rinpoche, of Guru Padmasambhava. And generally, in order to reach enlightenment, we need certain conditions. We need to practice the Dharma. And what we first of all need is to purify all our negative karma, all the obscurations which we have accumulated. And on top of that, we also need to accumulate a lot of positive karma. We need merit. So we must accomplish these two, like purification and accumulation of merit, in order to be able to reach Buddhahood, enlightenment. And there are many skillful ways of especially accumulating the merit. One thing is that we, with body, speech and mind, that we practice virtue, but then especially efficient is it when we perform the puja to the Lama, like combined with the Guru Yoga.
다 쳐발라양 되네 쪼를 당가란소 쳐바 숨스치게요레 되네 랍 주베 쳐바 링 연구르게 쳐바 타마 줍 상승기 쳐바 스체네 쳐발라 남바 숨치게요레스 하고송아 대 인도 되네 페나 타린다부지 이나 되네 대 쳐바 남바 숨가데 좀요레스 랍 주베 쳐바레 다랍 주베 쳐바 랍 주베 쳐바세나 다쪼 냠네 치주도 숨고요레 다 쳐바 탐제게 나는 초도 쳐바데 랍 주베 쳐바 다 냠네 치주도 이 숨고요라바 대 인도 되네 타링 알라만 남바 소도 참마 캐난주 상메게 던돌라 난주게다 고르바만 조네기 되네 군조진도 불라도 고네 되네 라마 주고요레 대 주베 쳐바레 되네 대땡도는 등 연구를 쳐바세도 되네 캐난주 상마 대용 Nyengursana ta nyenkur means ta pena lunga ge gone ludanga ge gone ta shabji shwa sungyorba ta tendre sungyore tene nyengur ge chebarre kharasana te kana to sangma te yon tene pena tela tene kasagore 단도 이제 숨게 대백의 톤에 tene kana to ta te chala 독스제네 냠네체 독스대바데 링닝구르 쳐바레 테네 타마 상승기 쳐바세두 칸레스나 테네 캐란속에 토기 여제 테네 담은다 망부텐데스 표네 녀니 텐데스 체바레 테손자 테네 쳐바숭가 다레게 테이팅 돈종고요레스 테인드 테네 캐란소 베나 소남고 초 조바 라다 탑투무마임바레스 테네 학바르토 테네 담 베나 가라도 구루rum부치라부치 차샤바이나 테네 베나 우진 산지 니바스드 다 칼바상볼 산지 레르마도 페야메 소마레 historically 이나양 아니 다 나란조게 갑소게 카 산지티 담바조부 산지 좀네데 샤교토바레 남데 시바 데니 이나양 데네 ngoso historical 그 산지 메나양 데네 조부 산지 좀된 대당 충베게 제바 삼지 메자바 심젠라 다 베나 거딘 쳔보 ngaranzo yimbal tene tene ujin sanje niba sanje tene na niba la ngunzin tende sre tene te indu tene thari the gi lama drube ke chebare tene khashe ke samna tene guru rumbuche the ji khase gore tene chulu chik ningman ke tene number re se anda bu tende ngunzin ba tende yo re yin tene te tene guru rumbuche te 답에나 조닝마게 따와치 못난 게 요래 이나야 닝마 코네 말에 된 구루름 붙이티 단나 땅가나 두상아 냠슬렘바 그 창매게 상아 그추 되네 창마 구루름 붙이게 단나 다 진짜 머슈버지 요 말에 사버도 다 상아라야 나세게 예와도 망부 요래 이나야 다 창마랑 구루름 붙이게 뒤비치나 머슈버 요 말에 대인도 되는 가나도 상매게 되네 짭순도 거 버처레스 대송자 되네 가난조 가세고래 닝마레스 전에 닝메글라마레스 파샤야 메버지게 도나 상아 도르지틱베 글라마 슈버 창메게 되네 템바양 타고 중국으로 버치레 대인도 되네 다리 대고네 되네 라마주베게 쳐바 인도 되네 하장게 가세고래 다 진압침부레스
whenever puja offering puja is being performed, then there are actually three kinds or three levels of offering. The highest level is the actual practice, the meditation, which is combined with the puja. And the medium is then the respect which is being shown during the puja.
말하면 지단게 쳐봐 숨세야 돼 랍주베 쳐봐 티 냠네 냠네 인지민지 부자미자 가요 말 냠네 제바 대랍주베 쳐봐 우리 닝굴 쳐봐 세도 룽아게 고네 라마라 샤토 슈 담면다 쳐야 돼 not necessary 이나 야든 다링 테다 이나 다리 테 차라 저게 요르게 제단게 베사나라
I must correct this that there are three kinds of practice
offerings.
Three ways of bringing offering or giving offering. And the best one is the actual practice, the meditation. And medium is then when one is serving the teachers, and when one is showing respect to the teachers. And the third kind is then when one is actually giving material offerings. And tonight, during this offering puja, these three kinds of practice are all included. The practice is done by Rinpoche and the Lamas who are doing the meditation as they recite the puja. And that is Guru Yoga to Guru Rinpoche. And the medium kind of offering is also taking place by all of us coming here and having faith in this practice and showing our willingness and our openness. And that we don't just stay at home, but that we actually come here to the center. And this is like the second kind. And the third kind is then the material offerings, which are all the different sweets and cakes and so that you have brought for the offering puja. So it is a very auspicious and special puja. It's very efficient for accumulating the merit which we all need. And also, since it is puja to Rinpoche, it is special because in every kalpa there is one historical Buddha. But Rinpoche is even called like the second Buddha because he's not the historical Buddha, but because of his activity, which is so great, and that we can really be grateful. And then, especially in our time, in the Dark Age, then the activity of Guru Rinpoche is very, very important. So he is called like the second Buddha in our time. And some of you might think that Guru Rinpoche kind of belongs to the Nyingma path. lineage, so that we don't really have so much to do with Rinpoche. But this is kind of misunderstood, because Rinpoche is not only connected with the Nyingmapa school. Of course, the Nyingmapa school is based on the Rinpoche practice and Rinpoche's teachings, but also whoever practices the Vajrayana has a very strong connection to Rinpoche, and definitely the transmission and blessing from Rinpoche is relevant for everybody who practices this path. So he is like a refuge for any of us, of any practitioner on the Vajrayana path. And he's the teacher of the Vajrayana. So the puja which is being done tonight is then a very great blessing for everybody.
Tene tendesre, tene kebaratu, tene ngaranzu sanga dorji tekbeke lugla, tene lama singe te hachanki, tene kechenbujire, te kandesre sena, penada sanga lugla, zawa sums, chinabga zawa, lama ngurubji zawa, yedam chineji zawa, chujongs, zawa sums yore, tene zasum jigdundebe ngo teya lama res. Tene matse peke, ta pena ngaranzu, tusumge sanje yore, tusum sanje jigdundebe ngo teyang, tene lama re. Tene matse peke, ta kuncho sum seyada, ta tenzu changma dorna, tene pena sanje da chanju semba tamche ki, tene ta ngo jigdundebe dani ti, tene pande lama sene, ngaranzu sanga betil nguyen gugu yore. Tene ti nguyen toba yina, tene tela tene, tene peta sosuyoke ta kasegore, ta 노친이 틱바난 신기네 숭바난 신기 데네 베틀람 사단람 텐조 림베게 드르니 마고바 데네 디 라마라 데네 타바다 무고 투모 마이바도 소수 줄을 깨토바이나 데네 라메 고순투게 첼람데 란슈게 소수 줄은 죽네 데네 디게 톱게 데네 란슈게 데네 소수게 다 대월식 빈닝보세나야레 데네 semjinelu senayare shakja chembu gam dobo chembu gutön senayare tene ranshin ge bena luden chik tengdolo tene ngondu churtobati tene sanga spas tene lam keberdo paba lam sabada nyurwati tene jumsen tela tene yonguyo re tere mado shanda nga dangya da tene bena khase gore tende konal tene mare da to sanga ki lam keberdo paba re cholam re da sanga di segobe jumsen ti tene lama sanju ngus ton to batela tene lama chelab du sosu gyula tene njune tene bet khase gore sosu semji nelu de yang to to ba ti yon to go yore tene luden chik tene sanje to ba ta ngaranzo ka ju chotop jasos chene 다 중바디 텐데스 중바리 텐데 다가난 신기 자거 그 접전 자주스 전다 또바 중바라 텐도 상마 텐데 람다 마스나 티 코널 얘기네 페이버리 텐데스 인도 텐데 다레 라멘 난주 구루rum부 체고네 라멘 난주 게 고네다 초 기체바 풀 텐데 도 제바데 하장게 가서 오랑가란 상마 텐데 소남 쳔부리 티 인도 텐데 캐란주 상메긴 구루rum부 체로 소 쯔지도 땀네 tene guru rinpoche te sanje tamje ki danyi yinpache sosuyoge hakowa che tene tela sowa tsichido tamne tene mugu yago ta dewa chishos rupa tene ngege tene taganan shingi kyaranzu gyuli chenamjogo kumonam yago jagi yins.
When one practices the Vajrayana path, the most important is really the Lama. Like the Lama is the source of blessing, the Yidam is the source of siddhi or accomplishment, the Dharma protectors are a source of activity. They are like the three roots in the Vajrayana. And the Lama in himself, he is like the embodiment of the three jewels, he is the embodiment of all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. And he is really like the essential connection for anybody who practices Vajrayana, and it's very important to recognize him as such. And once
Teta bugun washebala ta tanada mugu de keberto pagus kugu yores tabata mugu.
And once we recognize the quality of the Dharma, it will make us able to have the very pure view of the Lama and the strong faith, the strong devotion to the Lama. And once we have that, it is possible to receive the blessing that comes from the Lama, and this again will allow us to recognize the nature of our own mind. That is what is so special in the Vajrayana path, that this can happen. If one practices the Sutra path, the result is the same as also enlightenment, but there is a very gradual development which is slower. And that it is possible for this very quick result to come, that even within one lifetime one can get enlightenment, is because of the opening from the side of the disciple to the Lama, so that one can receive the blessing of the body, speech and mind of the Lama. And then that the Buddha nature, or the nature of the mind, or the Mahamudra, or whatever we call it, that this will be realized, that will manifest. That is also why the Vajrayana is so deep and so vast. Reciting mantras or so, that is not what makes it so special. It is this connection with the Lama, and that the ripening of our mind can take place so directly. And also, if you see, like previously in the Khatri lineage, like the ocean of Khatri masters, the golden lineage of masters, then the path that they have all followed, which made them realize the nature of their mind so quickly, was exactly this direct Guru Yoga, like meditation on the Lama, so that they could realize their mind. That's also why it's taught that devotion is like the head of meditation, because it can give that result. And in India, all the Mahasiddhas who realize themselves in one lifetime, they follow the same path. So what is taking place tonight, that Rinpoche and the Lamas will do the Guru Yoga Tzu for Rinpoche, and then we will do this offering puja. Is very auspicious, and it's very much merit for us to be able to take place in this. So from our side, we should also then try to be as open as we can and be one-pointed and have a very pure view towards Guru Rinpoche and really see him as the essence of all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, and like the sphere of all Buddhas.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just tell them please enjoy the talk. So 친구 등이 찍. 전 떼슈아. 전두계 제게 renzen 세포함에 때문에 자와죠 그손선제 군제모 원예 로나마는 로레데 원예는 마른데 마음에 나게 동아 예수제로
Good.
Malaka kamakaju chozo la lemne ne anima tuzu tungtung re de ina anima sum lentene kran tu sangma tu anima sebe ge ta kase gore chuge 아 가서 나만주 되게 편한 줄로 데스 펜뱅하나 저와 유스
So now the offering puja has been completed and long life blessing, and also Rinpoche's visit for this time will finish. It has only been quite short. Rinpoche has been here for 3 days, but he says that he's been very happy to see all of you here in the center, in this Kamakaju center, and also he hopes that it will have some benefit that he's been here.
Tene 당에 단다직세야 대팀 tene 다닝냐망아 지동 고병가 제주 평행 값으로 용비 값으로 디 값으로 tene 룸데 이신노 부카마 베덴살라 tene 나란조 나렌다 게 tene 셰다 독스제네 that to Ishinobuge one of the last wishes to raise the imbanan shingi kaptela tini laptotigi director ngare chene tini tidu tini laptoti cheruya tani tini hagan sabajab tini chumbare tini ti kapsula tini zawe Malaysia chuzo changmare tini lagbardu Malaga chuzo chanzuge tila tini chuzore nomare changmege shendabyagu nani tini shirayagu chungson tini ati yagu shira chubiyos chumnendani chigdong gupja gerju chabdungi jenda chubegi tari shila jungnila gerju chabdungi tari dawa chube tari jungnila tini inauguration chene tini tanda zo da ngarandu kagyu ge rumbuche namba zu changmare tini matsebe ge chaba chene da domne tini laptawa jada ngabju nyangage tanda pa lobjonna ni tinde siyo tini tindu changma 아치란족에 듣는 배트 현대 단들 되는 레스 대인도 되는 다른엔들라 되는 또 저도 창마다 잡지다 창마다 이게 수베니아 소리지 아치란족 창마 렉스도 버지 하는 먼저 셰덱 디 레스 그 손자든 창마 토치세요 인스
During Dhammapancha Rinpoche's visit in 85, when he came here, it was at the time when Rinpoche was the responsible and the director for the institute in Rumtek, the Nalanda Institute, which was one of the last wishes of His Holiness, that should be built and that this should function in Rumtek. And actually at that time, from this center, both the center itself and from disciples here, many donations were collected, and you were very generous. And you should know also that now this institute has been completed. Like there's now one extra very big building, which was inaugurated in 87, the 17th of June.
12th of June.
12th of June. And that it is functioning now very well. It is under the guidance of all the Rinpoches, and also there are about 155
Rinpoche Tsotang, Kaju Gutrukultang, Lama Tabakuganga Telopson Chigayo Aresta.
And there are about 155 who are learning in this institute, and it is also being used by the younger Rinpoches and the lamas.
Like I think you know, like such as Kawar Rinpoche and Palab Rinpoche, most of the young Rinpoches in our lineage, and as well as all the monks, young monks, and right now is trained in that institute. And so later His Holiness wishes that since now we have many centers all over the world, so it's very necessary to have a proper teacher that can teach philosophy of Buddhist philosophy, as well as also the meditation. So because of that, now through your help, and so it's completed. So now at the moment there's about, including the Rinpoches and the monks, about 55 students are studying, and then very soon, about within 2 years, and then there will be 25 Rinpoche, actually about 10 Rinpoches, and then 15 lamas will be graduating from that institute, and then we will try to send to the different centers to teach them. So then what I said. So this is the one we just made to give you as a souvenir from our institute, and so I'm giving you to your center, and on behalf of the